In this episode, we look at the cropping guide and how important this is to bear in mind when actually doing the shoot to begin with. Because although prints come in a variety of sizes, many prints do not have the 2:3 ratio that most cameras capture the images at.
Looking at designing an album, and we're using the images that some of you will recognise because you've seen the live shoot that Mike did in the studio. And the idea of any album, whether it be portrait, wedding or landscape from sunrise to sunset, is it's a storyline. It's telling the story of somebody's life or somebody's day or something that happened during the day.